Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is The Man Who Never Quit. So, the inspiring story is about the co-founder of Alibaba Group, Jack Ma. What makes the story extraordinary is that it is a true story about how he beat poverty, failure and adversity to become one of the richest people in the world and the richest in China. So, this is a true story taken from Alibaba, okay, founder of Alibaba. So, we all fail from time to time. What defines us is how we react to failure. Do you sometimes feel like giving up? How do you react when things don't work out exactly the way that you would like them to? और अगर चीज़ें आपके अनुसार नहीं होती तो ऐसे में आप क्या करते हो? So, this is the story based on the 10th September of 1964, a poor family in Hangzhou, China was blessed with a baby boy and they named him Ma Yun. Little did they know that this infant held a big future in his little fist. और ऐसे नहीं पता था उसको फैमिली वालों को कि ये छोटा सा बच्चा अपनी मुट्ठी में बहुत ही बड़ा फ्यूचर लेकर आया है. Ma Yun did not have an easy childhood. His parents did not have much money and as the middle child of three, he has an elder brother and a younger sister. He grew up without many luxuries. उसका जो बचपन रहा है वो काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्टीज़ के साथ रहा है. मिडल ब्रदर था वो, ठीक है, उससे बड़ा जो है एक भाई था और एक छोटी सिस्टर भी थी. सो उसने लाइफ में कभी भी उसने लग्जरी लाइफ नहीं जी थी. He was often teased and bullied in school by his classmates because he was so thin, but he showed strength of character where he lacked physical strength and did not let the bigger boys scare him. और उसे स्कूल में भी काफ़ी बुली किया जाता था क्योंकि वो काफ़ी थिन था और लेकिन उसने कभी भी अपनी कमजोरी को कभी भी उसने छुपाया नहीं, उससे लड़ना सीखा और कभी भी उन बड़े बच्चों से वो डरता नहीं था. एंड this proved to be one of the most important life lessons for him. It is this mental strength developed at such a young age which led him to future success against all odds. और यही उसकी जो एक mental strength थी, physically वो fit नहीं था, पतला था बहुत, लेकिन वो mentally बहुत ज़्यादा fit था. यही mental strength जो है जो उसकी young age में develop हुई, उसी से उसका future बना. So इतनी difficulties के बाद भी वो इतना बड़ा आदमी बन पाया. Ma Yun knew that the only way out of poverty was to educate himself. He was determined to learn English, but there was not much opportunity to learn the subject in school. और उसे पता था कि poverty से निकलने का एक ही रास्ता है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करना. वो इंग्लिश सीखने की सोचता था लेकिन स्कूल में इतनी ज़्यादा opportunities नहीं थी. As a teenager, Ma Yun started waking up early to visit the city's main hotel 40 minutes away from his house and began offering foreign visitors tours of the city in exchange for English lessons. और वो सुबह सुबह उठकर और फिर क्या करता था, फॉरेनर के लिए फॉरेनर्स को विजिट कराता था अपनी सिटी और इसके बदले उनसे इंग्लिश लेसन लेता था. One of his tourist friends started calling him Jack and with time that name stuck. और एक उसका टूरिस्ट फ्रेंड था वो उसको जैक कहने लगा और फिर ये नाम जो है ये स्टक हो जाता है, यानी वो जैक के नाम से फेमस हो जाता है. School life was especially hard for Ma and taught him that failure was a part of life at a very early stage. School life उसकी काफ़ी difficult रही और जहाँ से वो सीख गया कि हर जगह failure जो है वो मुझे देखना ही पड़ेगा. Ma failed in his primary school examination twice and thrice in his middle school exams. When applying to universities after his high school, Jack failed the entrance exams 3 times before finally joining Hangzhou Normal यूनिवर्सिटी. और इस तरीके से काफ़ी फेल होने के बाद जो है वो यूनिवर्सिटी ज्वाइन करता है. दैट मीन्स ही टुक 3 years to finally join a university as he could only apply once a year. He even applied and wrote to Harvard University 10 times for his admission and got rejected each time. हालांकि उसने हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में भी अप्लाई किया था लेकिन बहुत बार रिजेक्ट हो चुका था. Ma's failure did not stop in college, and after he graduated in 1988, he started applying for as many jobs as he could, but he failed to secure even a single one. Graduation के बाद बहुत सारी jobs के लिए उसने apply किया पर नहीं मिल पाई. He had applied for 30 different jobs. When KFC came to China, he and 23 other applicants went for the job. Everyone got selected except for Ma. He was also one of the 5 applicants who applied for a job in the police force and the only one who was rejected. तो इस तरीके से काफ़ी जॉब उसने अप्लाई की पर हर जगह वो रिजेक्ट हो जाता है. He finally settled for a job as an English teacher, although that earned him less than 800 rupees a month. फिर वो क्या करता है, वो इंग्लिश टीचर बन जाता है जहाँ पर उसको 800 रुपये से भी कम मिलते थे. He even tried his hand at entrepreneurship, but his first 2 ventures failed. हालांकि उसने कुछ बिजनेस करने की भी सोची, लेकिन पहले ही उसके 2 बिजनेस जो हैं वो फेल हो गए. His apparent failures only made him stronger and more determined to succeed. He learned to overcome the pain of rejections and started treating rejections as opportunity to learn and grow. इतनी ज़्यादा उसको rejection मिल चुकी थी ना, इतना ज़्यादा failure हो चुका था कि अब उसने rejection को opportunity की तरह लेना सीख लिया कि इससे क्या सीखा जा सकता है कि next time मैं fail ना हूँ और कैसे मुझे develop करना है, grow करना है. Ma had no experience with computers as they were rare in China at that time. He was fascinated by the internet when he was first introduced to it during a visit of US in 1995 for a government project related to the building of highways. तो उस टाइम वो इंटरनेट देखकर काफ़ी इम्प्रेस होता है. When Ma used internet for the first time, he searched for beer. To his surprise, no Chinese beer turned up in the results, although beers from various countries did make it to the list. और फर्स्ट टाइम जब उसको इंटरनेट सर्च करने का मौका मिलता है तो वो बियर वर्ड सर्च करता है और वो क्या देखता है कि कोई भी चाइनीज़ बियर नहीं थी, अदर कंट्रीज़ की बहुत सारी बियर की लिस्ट उसके सामने आ गई थी. He then searched China and not a single result popped out. He decided that a huge country like China deserved to be on the internet, and it was then that he decided to start an internet company for China. उसने सोचा चाइना जैसी कंट्री, इतनी बड़ी कंट्री जो है वो इंटरनेट पर क्यों नहीं है, और उसने अपनी खुद की कंपनी चाइना के लिए स्टार्ट करने की सोची. 4 years later, he gathered 17 close friends in his apartment and convinced them to invest in him and his vision for an online marketplace he called Alibaba. और इस तरीके से उसने अपने 17 फ्रेंड को इकट्ठा किया, उन्हें मनाया कि उनमें इन्वेस्ट करें और इस तरीके से एक उसने ऑनलाइन मार्केट प्लेस बनाई जिसका नाम है अलीबाबा. So the site allowed exporters to list their products online so that customers could buy them directly. So this is the online selling app. It was a great idea, but his biggest challenge was building trust among the people of China that an online system of payment and package transfers is reliable. अब फर्स्ट टाइम जो है ये ऑनलाइन का प्रोसेस आया था तो लोगों को ट्रस्ट कराना ये एक बड़ा चैलेंज था. The company started small, beginning from his apartment without a single penny in investment from outside investors. Alibaba later raised $20 million from SoftBank and another $5 million from Goldman Sachs in 1999. The company went on to grow rapidly, expanding all across the world as has now become the e-commerce giant that Jack Ma had dreamed of. और अब ये कंपनी जो है इतने ई-कॉमर्स यानी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुकी है जैसा जैक मा ने सोचा था. जैक मा knew nothing about computers or the internet and had never sold anything to anyone in his life, and yet he started his first successful company at the age of 31 in these field. और 31 की एज में अब उसने कंप्यूटर की भी कंपनी खोल ली थी. अभी तक उसे कंप्यूटर के बारे में जबकि कुछ भी नहीं पता था. Self-belief, persistence, bravery in the face of adversity, and treating failure as just another step towards success is what Jack Ma's extraordinary life speaks of. और इस तरीके से पता लगता है कि perseverance, self belief होना चाहिए, मेहनत होनी चाहिए, bravery होनी चाहिए, different व्यू पॉइंट होना चाहिए, तभी आप सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हो. His story is a great lesson for all of us to never give up, no matter how difficult our situation may be. उनकी स्टोरी से हमें सीखने को मिलता है कि सिचुएशन कितनी ही डिफ़िकल्ट क्यों ना हो, हमें कभी भी गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए. So this is the story. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read it once again and do the back exercise yourself.